Well, we are committed to playing our part in reducing carbon emissions. We have statutory targets of meeting net zero by 2045, and we've already made good progress in halving our emissions since 1990. We have already produced 96% of our electricity from renewables, but we're determined to go further on heat and to ensuring that many of the tech and other solutions that are required for meeting net zero are pioneered here in Scotland. Well, the work of Edinburgh Science is hugely important in a number of different ways. First of all, in terms of facilitating collaboration right across the board. None of us in isolation are going to solve the problem of climate change. We need to be working together, and Edinburgh Science enables that in ensuring that we are considering the most effective solutions to the difficulties that we face. Well, every business has a part to play in the same way that every household and every individual has a part to play. Often we can think that the problem is too big to solve, but actually if every business did its part, then we would meet our net zero ambitions. And that includes looking at how we invest in energy efficiency, how we invest in technological solutions, and how we can ultimately, as each individual business, reduce our dependency on carbon. Well, over the course of COP26, we want to see real, meaningful, tangible action. We know what our objectives are in Scotland, that is meeting net zero by 2045. What we need is to deliver meaningful action. And I hope that out of the discussion today, we get all the minds in the room with their collective resources, expertise and experience, thinking through what those solutions might be and then putting them into practice. The green economy is dependent on international collaboration. We've seen during COP26 how critical it is that every government steps up to the plate and delivers according to the objectives that we have. We know too that there is much that countries can share with each other: expertise, research, understanding, resources. We can't solve this by not looking beyond our borders, and Scotland is very keen to play its part in that international discussion of what each nation should do.